This is video 1 of building my computer. It's not the first time, but it'll be the first time I'm making a video of it, so it's kind of like the first time all over again. Anyway, I've gotten a few things together so far. I've been so busy lately, I haven't really. It's been like a 2-week project just getting it this far. This is a Aerocool Extreme Engine 3T case. Most people probably have never heard of that, but for those who have, I'm currently modifying it. I've done a few things, but now that it's winter and I'm so busy, I don't really have a place to cut stuff and paint and do all that, so I'm kind of half-ass finishing this here. Here's the front. I've removed the doors. You can still see the little mounts there, which I'm not going to cut those off because I'm going to put the doors back on. I'll probably eventually sell this case. As you can see, I'll have another CD burner up there, and that's a DVD burner. If it still works, I dropped it the other day, so oops. We have an open slot. I'm probably going to put that hard drive cooler in, just to use the temperature and fans that are in there. And here is my, let's see too good, my fan controller. 3 fan controls and 2 USB ports, which I'm not using the USBs. Don't really need those. I got 6 in the back. That's plenty. Power switch, reset switch, power LED, hard drive LED, and the front probably looks a little strange because there was a turbine. Actually, I have it over here. There you go. This is what was inside there, but it looks kind of stupid, blocks airflow, and when you turn the fan all the way down, it doesn't even spin, so it's kind of pointless. Anyway, so I have that, and like I said, I'm not going to cut that out because I'm probably going to sell the case. This mesh right here can be pulled out, but it doesn't block very much airflow. As you can see, it's bowed out a little bit, so it's got plenty of intake. And behind there is a 78 CFM Antec Tri-Cool blue LED fan. Original fan in there, let me turn this around here, was this. I believe it's like a 50 or 60 CFM 140 millimeter thin fan. And that does alright, but as you will see here, let me turn this case more. The way it's made, it fits in there a lot better. To where there's no gaps, it's just right around here. So there's that. And finishing up the front, I really don't like this right here. This little stupid thing right here. That's why I took the doors off, because when the doors are closed, you can see that gap, and it's stupid. Anyway, here's the front panel. This is where the other Molex style fan controller goes. And then you have FireWire and some front audio, but I'm not going to be using that, so I just took it out. Moving along. I finally got my case feed on. I figured this up one day. It's kind of ghetto, but basically it's got about a 2-inch bolt, and then you got a bunch of washers. I'm eventually going to put a piece of rubber on the bottom there so I don't scratch anything. And then we got this here holding it in. 2 bolts and a lock washer. And what else here? Don't have any other fans in right now. I have the mounts for the top fan in there. You can see that over there. So you can see I use bolts and nuts instead of those stupid little fan screw things they give you. Here's the back. Got the I/O shield plate already on. It's a given. This right here, if you see this, you're probably asking why did I cut the vents out. Well, I was going to water cool this case eventually, which I probably won't now. So I'm just going to end up putting some type of mesh in right there just for extra ventilation, I guess. power supply up here. Here's the back of the fan controller. Turn this more. You can see kind of. That I used, somebody watched my earlier video when I said that I bought the hard drive rails, and that's what I used them for. And this thing's mounted way up there, and you see we got our power and our 3 connectors right there. Here's the front fan connector, pretty cool, nice deal, and some Molex connectors for that. So I have both Molex and 3-pin, so whichever way I go. I can get a video of this here. There you go, pretty straight through shot there, if you can tell, right on the hard drive. I'll probably only be running 1 hard drive and using an external, so there won't be much airflow blocking going straight to the graphics card. So, alright, that's enough for video 1. Video 2 will be coming soon when I get more of this stuff put together.